Hello, my bells and bows. Welcome back to our show.
I am Katrina, and this lovely lady sitting next to me is my sister Dominique.
The one and only. If you find another, she's a phony.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We absolutely love to hear your feedback.
Love it. Okay, so today, honey, we have ourselves salad, homemade salad, and homemade fried fish.
All right, so we're gonna bow our heads and we're gonna say grace and we're gonna
Get right to it.
God is grace, God is good. Let us thank Him for our food in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen. Thank you. Bless our food. Excited. Get this thing out.
We missed some hot sauce.
Get into this salad real quick, y'all. Yeah, y'all. So in the salad, y'all, we got bacon, turkey, purple onion, croutons, boiled eggs, cucumbers, and croutons. I said croutons. Croutons, y'all. Croutons, y'all.
I love me a good old salad.
Exactly.
Okay. You know, some people call it rabbit food.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I'm here in the house all honey now.
You hear me that tartar sauce? Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm loving mine in hot sauce, y'all. I don't know why I like hot sauce so much. But like hot sauce in my bag swag.
I like my tartar sauce on the side.
Yes. Haven't had some tartar sauce, y'all.
Salad so fresh.
So good.
It is.
So good. Perfect.
Ooh. Yeah. Winning all type of soldiers today. So, y'all seen any good movies lately? Y'all want to let us know about?
Yeah. I'm looking for something good new.
Yeah. I done broke into Hulu. I'm all over the place now.
Yeah, Hulu got some stuff on there.
Yeah. It's kind of the same stuff. I think Netflix got its own original series though. But I don't know if Hulu got its own series. I ain't never really seen no Hulu movies. Do it? Does it? I ain't seen no Hulu movies.
I'll do one. You gotta get in there and see that. Ain't it hard to find? It's on $5. Free.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been reading a little bit though too though. I found this book with old remedies in it. Yeah.
You find it at the library?
No, I found it in my stuff. That's what's crazy. I don't even remember the thing. That's what's crazy.
Weird camera.
We got some good remedies in there though.
Okay.
Like I seen today that they got well, they had avocados in there, and they got a lot of fat burning properties.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. It's so good. I love ranch. Ranch is something.
Read any good books? Any magazines?
Not away from that. But I'm gonna read a book in a minute.
Yeah.
I haven't that, but I want to. And I'm gonna make time now.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna make time. We need to do that.
Yeah. Good for stimulating the mind.
I just miss it.
Keep me in.
I miss it. It's so relaxing. You know?
I also I've been rereading the Bible.
Okay.
Yeah. What version is it? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. See, because I've been jumping around. Because I got 2 Bibles. And they're 2 different ones.
Okay.
Man, the stories up in there. It's crazy. It's like the same kind of stuff that's happening now is happening then. After all these years, people still ain't changed.
I'm super crazy. So crazy.
I don't know. You know, it tripped me out though. How them people be hundreds of years old and they be having kids and stuff. And like nowadays, we barely make it past 50.
That's super crazy. Super crazy.
I don't know. I guess they wasn't really eating the bad stuff we eat now. Everything fried. Talking while I'm eating fried fish.
That's funny. I'm craving them. Really craving. That's it right now. I'm scared. Just never know what to expect.
You don't. It's just now, just like what's going on now. Unprecedented times.
You just never know.
Crazy.
Scared.
All of the above.
Purple onions in the salad makes a salad.
Yeah. You gotta have it.
I think so. A lot of people may not agree, but I'm an onion lover.
You know, I used to think this was a sweet onion, but it ain't. That's what I found out. Only way I found that out because of we live life smackalicious sauce.
Okay.
Yep. She got sweet onion on there on the ingredients. And I went straight over there to get the real one. And it did not say sweet. Armadillo. That's what I found out.
That's different. Really. Like, so many varieties of everything. I just feel like I don't know what to get no more.
Hey. I seen a neat little trick. I think we should try it on. Don't worry, y'all will enjoy it.
Okay. It's so good and like
That's a salad.
That's some great fish. It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
Well, thanks for dinner.
Thanks for dinner. What about my show?
Yes.
Dinner, no
So
show.
good. I'm trying to think put you to sleep.
I'm sure do.
I can guarantee you to be asleep. Guarantee.
I don't even know about this here. That's a salad there.
Y'all know definitely try it though.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna eat anymore. I think I'm going full. Have me a sip of this here.
Yes. Yeah.
Good. Sorry, I'm trying to clear my mouth out.
Like,
Okay, y'all. So last week on our show, we announced that we would be doing a new segment called Nigma. All right.
Yeah, we did.
And we said that whoever got the comment, the riddle right, that we would give them a shout out on our channel. Okay?
Yes.
The only people that got the riddle correct was Jones fam.
Jones family.
That's Jones, F-A-M. Jones fam. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, y'all should go and check out their channel, definitely.
Definitely. Most definitely.
They be eating some good food. And also, they do some really funny pranks on each other. I mean, they be getting each other. Love it. Love it. Definitely
amazing.
Go check that out, y'all.
It's amazing. Yes.
Alright, so I'm going to read out our second Nigma. Okay. So here we go, y'all. You see a boat. It's filled with people. It hasn't sunk. But when you look again, there isn't a single person on the boat. How can that be? Why? How can that be?
Lost for words. It'll take me a minute to think of that.
Alright, y'all read it out, but I am going to leave it down in the comments. So check that out. Alright, and if you get it right, we'll say your name in the next one.
Yes.
Like we did. Alright, so y'all have a good night. I know I am. I'm going to. Yeah.
Of course. Yes.
And can't wait to see y'all again. Okay.
And please don't forget to
like, subscribe, comment, share. We absolutely love to hear it.
We love it.
Don't forget. All right, thank you. We'll see y'all later.
And y'all stay safe.
Always stay safe. Beautiful.